Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add a bike or running shoe in Strava. So if you admire to join a global community, share your progress and compete in challenges because every foot counts in Strava. Also guys, you need to have the app to do these steps, and also you can get it from the Play Store, either from the App Store. It depends on which phone you have. It's available in both and even available in other stores that your device supports. Anyways, let's launch the app, and as you can see you will be directly forwarded into the home page. I want you to go into you right here in the bottom right corner. So once you tap on you will be able to see your progress, even your activities, but it doesn't matter. What matters in this video is your profile right here on the top, beside the navigate or the explore icon. So just tap on your profile right here and then scroll down until you can see the gear. It's a bicycle icon right here, so just type on it or tap on it, sorry, and after that I just want you to go into this plus button to add the gear. And right here, as you can see, you can either choose shoes or you can go into bike right here. So for example, if I add bike or as a gear, I can just go into the default sports right here and I can choose either it's for ride or hand cycle or velomobile or either virtual ride, e-bike ride, mountain bike ride, gravel ride, or e-mountain bike ride. So for example, I will go into the virtual ride. Okay, and right here you can name the gear, or you can even type the name of your bike right here and the brand also from here, and the bike type also right here. Yeah, you can for example I will go with the mountain bike, and I can add the brand, model, and also even the weight. Yeah, it's counted right here with the kilograms. You can also add notes, and then once you're finished you can go and hit or tap on save right here. And yeah, so this is how to add a bike or running shoe in Strava. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.